Trouble continues to brew for Pakistan. Apart from the FATF, the UAE Central Bank is investigating the country's largest bank over allegations of violations of anti-money laundering and terrorism financing laws. In a statement, the Central Bank of the UAE said that it was in close contact with Pakistan's banking regulator to verify reported irregularities of a Pakistani bank in the Emirate. While the statement did not name the bank, reports said that it was Pakistan's Habib Bank Limited. The bank, which is largely owned by the Aga Khan Fund for Economic Development and the Pakistani government, had a total asset of over $20 billion in September 2019. The UAE banking regulator said that it will be taking appropriate action if the Pakistani bank is found in violation of anti-money laundering and combat of financing of terrorism laws.
Prime Minister, how did your meeting go?
Vishnu Prakash, former Indian diplomat, is live with us from New Delhi. Good evening to you. Why is Turkey supporting Pakistan on the FATF?
If you see the history of Pakistan and Turkey, they've always had a very close relationship. And Pakistan has tried to model itself on Turkey, both the status of the army, their constitution and so on. So it's a relationship which has been old and enduring. And there is no surprise there because Turkey and Malaysia have always sided with Pakistan.
Despite Pakistan being on the grey list, it materially does not change anything on the ground for India and the world.
We have some of our experts keep on talking of ostracizing Pakistan. That I have said it in the past and will say it again. Pakistan is a large country of 200 million people. They have the ability of creating enough nuisance that we know, and one of the reasons is that they negotiate with a gun on their temple. So I don't think that it is easy to ostracize Pakistan. At the same time, the pressure on them does make a difference. Even if they've gone through the motions of arresting Hafiz Saeed, for example, and once the pressure is off, they may release him. But at least they are trying, because there is pressure, because they are in a financial doldrums. And they have taken some steps half-heartedly, whatever gingerly, taken some steps to meet the requirements of FATF. But this country has gone so down the tube in pursuance of what they call the strategic depth with Afghanistan and with trying to inflict 1,000 cuts on the Indian polity that they are cutting the nose to spite the face, and that is very Pakistani.
Now, how can we interpret China's shift on FATF, which is not in complete alignment with Pakistan?
If China means what it says, it's a welcome development. But let's see how it pans out, whether they sustain this posture or it's a tactical posture. After all, we know of China-Pakistan relationship, and China is the protector and guardian and the country that consistently bails out Pakistan. So let's see. Just one bit does not decide on policy. If China indeed is going to encourage Pakistan to see reason, we will welcome that. But I'll reserve my judgment for at least the medium term.